Did you know that your kitchen waste can be a treasure trove for your garden? Today we're exploring the wonders of two common kitchen leftovers, eggshells and tea leaves. Eggshells, often simply discarded after breakfast, are a treasure chest of nutrients for your plants. Packed with calcium carbonate, they provide a direct source of calcium, crucial for cell wall development, root growth, and overall plant structure. But that's not all. Eggshells also come with a dash of other minerals like magnesium and potassium, offering further nourishment to the soil. Eggshells can do wonders for your garden. They improve soil structure by balancing its pH level, preventing it from becoming overly acidic, a condition that can hinder plant growth. Calcium from eggshells also enhances nutrient uptake in plants, ensuring they receive the necessary vitamins and minerals for healthy growth. Plus, crushed eggshells double as a natural deterrent against pests like slugs and snails. So how can you make the most out of your eggshells? First, crush dried eggshells into small pieces and mix them directly into your garden beds or containers. You can also soak crushed eggshells in water for a few days to create a calcium-rich tea, ideal for watering your plants. Alternatively, sprinkle crushed eggshells around the base of your plants. As they decompose, they'll slowly release calcium into the soil. Now let's move on to tea leaf waste. Instead of tossing them into the garbage after your morning cuppa, consider using them in your garden. Tea leaves are nutrient-dense, boasting nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus, making them a fantastic addition to compost or fertilizer. Tea leaf waste can enrich your compost pile with valuable organic matter and nutrients, improving the health of your soil. Brewed tea leaves can also serve as a liquid fertilizer, promoting lush foliage and vibrant blooms. Moreover, tea leaf waste can enhance soil structure and moisture retention when mixed into garden beds or containers. To make the most of tea leaf waste, add used tea leaves to your compost bin along with other organic materials. Or steep used tea leaves in water for several days to create a nutrient-rich tea. Then dilute it with water and use it to water your plants. You can also spread dried tea leaves around the base of your plants. As a mulch, they suppress weeds, retain moisture, and gradually release nutrients into the soil. In essence, eggshells and tea leaf waste are unsung heroes of home gardening. By incorporating these natural ingredients into your gardening routine, you can enhance soil health, boost plant growth, and elevate the overall vitality of your garden. So the next time you enjoy your morning cup of tea or prepare scrambled eggs, remember to save the leftovers for your garden. Your plants will thank you.